guys, Miss Charlie here with another single shadow collection video. I'm gonna go through most of what's in these two containers. These here I'm not gonna go through. These are glitters and these are flakies. I'm not gonna go through those because I don't consider those eyeshadows. They're just enhancements. But we're gonna go through my two from Game Beauty, my Nikkia Joy, my It's Belle. I have this random one here from M&M Shadows, and then I have all of these here from Jlarue. So we're gonna go out. We're gonna go through these and see what I have in these two containers with swatches. I'm gonna start with Jlarue. We're gonna start with this color here. I'm gonna have to wipe these down because these are rather messy. But we're gonna start with this color here. This one is called Kryptonite. It is a bright neon yellow green. It's absolutely gorgeous. These work great with mixing mediums to use as liners. I use them as liners all the time. I did not like using them as eyeshadows. I've seen her on YouTube and put them on and things like that, and they're very opaque, but I don't like them as eyeshadows because on me they didn't work that well and they were very patchy and whatnot. So I use these as liners, especially this one, the bright colors I use as liners. So that was Kryptonite. This one is in Crimson, and I do have a duplicate of Crimson that my best friend gave me, so I have two of these. This is a beautiful, like Dorothy's shoes red. It's not like sparkly like her shoes, but it reminds me of her shoes red. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I love a good red. Next, we have Venus Flytrap. I don't know if you can see the things, that's why I'm just telling you the names, because the stickers are a bit shiny. And this is a beautiful bright neon green. Again, I use the mattes as liners except for the white. The white makes a great inner corner and it's very, very opaque. But we'll get to that one. That's the best white shadow ever. Next we have, this is Midnight Magic, which is a purple that has a lot of sparkles in it. It's a beautiful deep purple that has a lot of beautiful sparkles in it. Next we have Atomic Bomb, which is a beautiful vibrant orange. Gorgeous orange. This one is Camouflage, which is a grungy green. This is my favorite white shadow. This is Ghost. It's a beautiful opaque. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it, so it's not completely matte. It is gorgeous. Then we have, this is more like a glitter topper. It's called Sizzler. I'm getting stuff everywhere here. Yeah. Yep, I just messed that up. It's gonna have to be washed. It's all right. That's what these backgrounds are for. But we have Sizzler, which is a pink. It's got a pink flip to it. That's like a glitter topper. Next we have Glam Squad. This is like a grungy olivey brown. This one is called Cashew. Like cashew outside. How about that? Like a mustard yellow. Then we have Beauty Queen, which is a dark teal. Then we have Carnival, which is it's like a copper kind of. It's like a brown with a bunch of different color reflex in it. And then the last one I have is a mistletoe, which is a tealy green glitter. Next, I'm going to go through these two here. These are from Game Beauty from their Persona 5 Royale collection. I am also an affiliate with this brand, so if you would like to pick these two up, I will link my affiliate link. You can get 10% off, and I'll link these two also below. And these are multi-chromes, dual chrome multi-chromes. This one is in Captain Kidd, and this one is in Necronomicon. Captain Kidd, beautiful artwork on there with the character. And there's not a whole lot in there. As you can see, I've hit pan. And this one is a red, orange, a little bit of green. Then we have the Necronomicon. And this one is the purple, blue, teal. This here, this says Meech and Mia, but on the back it says M&M Shadows. And this is in white, which is one of those old school white to gold. It looks white, but it's that gold flip that a lot of people had back in the day. Next, I'm going to go through these here from It's Belle. This is from their Fruity Realm collection. There's a couple more that I don't have. I think there's six or seven in this collection, but I got these 4, so I'm going to go through those. I'm going to start with Little Damson. You can see the shift a little bit in the container. I'm trying to show you it on my hand and in a mirror. You can see the different flips it's got. I'm not going to open it because it's kind of messy, but you can see the different flips in there. Orange, blue, pink, green. And then next I have I Love Orange Soda, and this is orange and pink and yellow. Next we have Java Java, which has a pink, purple, a little orange, some green. And then lastly, my favorite, which is Fruit Punch. And lastly, we're going to go through my Nikkia Joy multi-chromes, loose multi-chromes. Okay, we're going to go to pull this one first. This one is Gravity, which is like a purple, blue, green. Galaxy, just a dark purple, blue. I see dark blue, purple, some pink or magenta. Nebula, which is green, purple, little pink. And these come in a bundle, so all 5 of these came in a bundle. And I got these Black Friday a couple years ago. And they have more, and I think I might get the other bundle if they go on sale for Black Friday this year. And then we have Meteorite, which is like a grungy green, a little bit of purple, pink. And then the last one is UFO, which is more of a green, gold, maybe a little bit of orange. Alright, so those were just a few more that I have in my singles collection. Some indie brands there. But thank you all for being here. I appreciate you all for watching. Thank you so very much for taking the time out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next singles video.